Howdy, y'all. Welcome to just another sleigh day. Mike and I's got us a project going on. We bought us this 1983 Brougham. I don't even know how to pronounce it. Motorhome. We got it for a really good price because the motor was no good. This is what he's doing. He just put the 6.0 in here. It really don't look too bad. You really don't. Check out the inside. Too bad, don't look too bad. Babe, I'm doing a video. Tell them what you took out of there. What motor did you take out of there?
A 350.
You took a 350 and put a 6.0 in?
Yep.
Yep.
LS swap.
A LS swap?
Yep.
Yep. He got it started yesterday. See what we're doing inside. Remodeling, because it was all... Somebody started painting it white. See, like that? And I've come in and started remodeling. I'm loving this color. Down there. There's a 6.0. Not bad. Everything works. Got this little restroom. There's a restroom in there. Hey, we're redoing this. That's why I haven't painted that yet, because he's putting a splashboard on, he's putting a new top on that, and then I'm going to paint that down there, the blue, but I need to sand it down, because they really did a bad job. You can't really tell, but it's streaking everywhere, dripping, but it looks pretty good. So this is what I'm doing. I got all the cabinets off, so now I got to sand them down and paint them. I'll show you later. Okay, we are... Check them out. That's what the cabinets look like. See, they painted the whole thing. So we are removing all of that. Moving all the hardware. I think I'm going to repaint them again, and then we're going to sand them down. That's what I'm doing now. See, I put all that back on. Aren't they pretty? Modifying it, getting an oil gauge, got him a tack up there, fixing it up. Made some curtains for the bathroom, and look, they match up perfect. Perfectly. Okay. The sewing is not perfect because it's the very first thing I've ever sewn. Look at that. But other than that, they look pretty doggone good. And I made them double-sided so you can, the same thing you see on the front, you see exactly on the back of the window, so people coming behind us can see peacocks. I think I did a pretty good doggone job, actually. The top, that's a little better. The sewing. Using this little bitty sewing machine that I got. Works. It's working good. Voila. Bathroom curtains.